and that's why affirmations are so important too,
Yeah.
because it tricks the brain in a way to that inner voice in your head, it kind of changes the mindset of what your inner voice says
Mhm.
in a way.
Yeah.
So, like, let's say we wake up and we look in the mirror, for example, and we're like, "Oh my gosh, this thing's wrong. Whatever, my hair is messed up. Blah 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 blah. All the negatives."
Yeah.
But what affirmations do, they restructure, they reprogram how you may think of yourself at
Mhm.
that point. So instead of looking in the mirror and saying, "Oh my gosh, this all these things are wrong," you could say, "I'm great.
Mhm.
This is what I can work on. This is like I'm fat right now, but I can work out." And like you can see the positive in every single situation, saying,
Yeah.
"Yes, I'm not good right now, but I tomorrow I will be better. Tomorrow I will be
Yeah.
better." And for me, that's what's so important because I, as a very driven person, I used to chase perfection.
Yeah.
And there's not that's an impossible goal to always chase perfection.
Mhm.
And that's where I started going away from perfection and toward progress.
Yeah.
So now I focus on just becoming a better person every single day.
Yeah.
Like tomorrow, I will be a little bit better. The
Yeah.
next day, I will be
100%
a
growth.
little bit better. But I will never reach perfection. But my goal per day now is to have a little bit of progress. And
Mhm.
now I feel that satisfaction within myself. When I was chasing perfection, I was meeting a never-ending goal. But when I was chasing progress, that's when I was like, wow, okay, I progressed a little bit per day. I did my job. I met my goal of the day. I could finally sleep without criticizing myself every night. And it really meant a lot. And it really made a big difference in my life.